Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the layout size in Stitch. Okay, so what you'll do basically is just open up the project. Now just hold Control key on your keyboard. Okay, now you can go ahead and scroll up to zoom in or scroll down. Okay, as you can see here, it is stated right here as percentage. Okay, you can go ahead and scroll up and it will zoom in as far as 300%. Okay, you can zoom right here as well when you press a Z. Okay, and then just click on the layout. Okay, now if you're referring to changing the size per page right here, well, you can just go ahead and ask Stitch right here. Okay, let's say I just added right here prompt. Okay, can we change the layout size? So it says here, to clarify, are you looking to adjust the spacing and size of elements with the existing mobile layout, or you're referring to something else regarding the layout size? Okay, for example, do you want to make the text and icons larger, increase the spacing between chat items in the chat list, or make the input field in the chat conversation larger? Okay, now if you want to, you could go ahead and add in maybe by pixels. Okay, I want it to fit to almost every phone. Can we use 2560 just for example by 1440 pixels? Okay, once that's done, hit on generate and just wait for its reply. Okay, so as you can see, it says, while this resolution is a high resolution, typically mobile app design focuses on creating a responsive layout that adapts to various screen sizes and pixel densities. Rather than fixing the design to a single large pixel dimension, mobile operating system and mobile devices handle the scaling so the elements appear at an appropriate physical size. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the layout right here. But if you want to further customize it on your coding space, okay, you can just go to click on more right here, click on view code, copy the code, and change the code however you want. Change the values of the minimum height and maximum height. Okay, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.